what's going on, guys? It's your boy JK Fusion, and I'm back with another vlogging video here on my channel. Today I'm going to the biggest indoor water park in the freaking world, you guys, here right in Ohio. I'm driving from New York to Ohio today because I did a little trip around the world. Went from Tennessee, New York, now I'm going to Ohio to go to this indoor water park. I have my GoPro. I'm gonna be bringing that along with you guys, and it's going to be crazy. It's gonna be a good vlog. I hope you guys do enjoy it. It's definitely gonna be something more like different than my other vlogs, but I'm just gonna be really just showing what's gonna be going on whenever I get there, and I'm gonna be bringing you guys along, of course. So hit that like button if you did enjoy the video, and make sure to subscribe if you're new to the channel. So let's get right into the video, I guess.
Deeper now.